It's that ackee tree, probably. Yeah. I love how tall the trees are, I ain't gonna lie. It's one of my, even when I'm in Crystal Palace, Battersea Park, Crystal Palace Park, Battersea Park, any of the North London or parks, Hyde Park, St James's Park, but there's one tall tree in St James's as you go to Sloane Square. Yes, it's Sloane Square. And there's Uncle. God keep us. So beautiful. It's gotta be higher for my natural energy. I gotta be higher, no matter what's trying to frustrate me. Wow. So we're in a secret location. I ain't even gonna show you how I got here. But the word I got though was sometimes you have to go through the uncomfortable and the unexpected to get to a place you've never been. That's the word I got. Because I must admit I was a little bit pranked, but I knew to trust in the I and I, trusting in my uncle, man. It is well. I ain't looking to go far. But if anything happened to me, you know, we'll do it. It is well. I ain't looking to go out far at all. But I do think pirates may have hid some gold in here. I got that vibe, man. I feel good. I'm going to put on my music. All I need is the sun. I'm going to get in the water for a minute. The sand is here. I just needed the sea, man. Nothing better happened to him today, boy. He's a strong swimmer, though. Obviously, I should try and swim. Funny enough, this morning, I had a dream about going to swim in a swimming pool. I was trying to get somewhere to swim. What, is that the house I was on yesterday? No, it's not. But that's the house is where my gran is.